We have taken the marketing class before to create that budget and found a great deal of organization and value in it, setting a course for the year.
Nexstar offers several different marketing planning workshops. We do have a foundational. We have the core, which is what we're at right now, and then we do have a marketing planning workshop plus. And that is for those that have been to 2 or 3 of the marketing planning workshop cores.
What's special about this week here is hosting it at Guardian, and this facility has been great. Matt and Kristen have been first-class hosts, and so it is a lot of fun to come out to the member shop. The beauty of that as well is our members get to see a company in action. We got a tour last night, got to see how they work their call board, how they work their inventory and trucks, and to me that's an added benefit for our members.
This is our first time hosting. We have been working on our building and kind of, putting together upgrades to our conference areas and things like that. So it was like, okay, I think maybe we're ready finally. And over the years I've visited so many other people's shops and really found value in it. And it was like, I think we're ready to give back in that way. So many other people have been gracious and opened up their doors. In the years past, I don't think we were in the position to do so. But it's like, what? Once you've been given so much, you want to help the team out. You want to help everybody else out. And it's an opportunity for us as well to let everybody else take a look, peek behind the curtain and go, hey, I like this, or have you thought about that? Doing this in this area. So I think it's very collaborative, and it's been a lot of fun.
When you're an owner, visionary, sometimes you just do it. You don't even know if you have a plan to do it. You just throw the rock and you find a way to do it. Well, as you grow, there's a point where that doesn't work. You need systems, you need process, and people that can help you, and that becomes overwhelming if you don't do that. So Nexstar gives you that platform.
So understanding what we're doing and why we're doing it is very, very key. Because a lot of folks find marketing to be a black hole. It's very expensive. Let's see what happens. Not a good plan. And they need to know where that money is going versus the proverbial black hole.
We'll take them through a little bit of a journey on what is marketing so they can see the entire picture, which then takes them into really analyzing their business from a strengths, a weaknesses, and opportunity standpoint. And by doing that, it lays a solid foundation for them to build off, which ultimately leads to establishing goals. And the goals then will provide them kind of that North Star direction point of where to head as they start building their marketing plan on day 2 and day 3.
Marketing for us has always been a bit of a mystery, and sometimes I feel like I'm throwing a dart towards a dartboard to find a solution or what to pick. What I really wanted from this class and I got from it is a solid marketing plan and strategies. They're going to help us with specific goals.
Marketing is innovating, changing so much with this artificial intelligence, software, and we are thinking like, whoa, this is going to go a whole different way, so you're going to trying to get in front of that. I'm learning wait a minute, hold on, is your fundamentals, basics in place.
The fact that you can go through it step by step and it turns it into a calendar for you, and you're like, oh, well now my marketing agency, this is what I want. And you have 2 months to provide it to me, right? So it's fantastic.
So I've done the marketing classes before for the planning for the year. This one we did, but I brought in our sales and coaching manager, and I'm so glad that I did. It's like a light bulb came on, and it's like, okay, let's work together, let's be collaborative. So him to kind of see behind the curtain has been a massive shift.
Sales and marketing are always intermarried, but they kind of do 2 different things. So this was my first time actually trying to bridge that gap and understand where those sales opportunities originate from and how marketing is different. There's a science to it, just like there is to sales, and there's theory, and there's application, and there's tests, and there's formulas. And today I got to see all that.
Getting on the same page with so Matt, the owner, and then the operations manager, and having buy-in, like that's huge, right? And just being on the same plan, and then everyone, like, what's your piece, so if this is what we want to do, what are the technicians going to do, and then what is higher level management going to do? How can we all come together to make this work?
To see this group come together and where they're at is really special. And if I may add as well, I think like the part of what we do at Nexstar is about the relationships that you establish with members when you're in the trenches with them, helping them for what may be an abstract concept to them or overwhelming, whatever it may be, and help them do that. The relationships are incredible, and it'll be at Super Meeting or at another Nexstar training where they come up to you and they'll be giving you a hug and thanking you, and that's the beauty of Nexstar and the special part of what we get to do to help our members.